Designing an irrigation system can be complex. It involves many small parts, calculating hose lengths, and balancing the lines based on the water flow rate available at the faucet. Tisanji helps you solve all these challenges. You can draw your irrigation system, choose the irrigation components, soaker hose, drip emitters, and other diffusers, and instantly see the irrigated area. Trace your hoses and calculate the exact length required. And as you add components, Tisanji automatically calculates the system's water consumption. And if your system consumption exceeds what your faucet can supply, simply divide it into 2 or more lines that individually will stay within the faucet's output. You can then compare the irrigated area with the water need of your plants to ensure each one receives the attention it deserves. Tisanji automatically gather in your inventory all the quantities of every product you need so nothing gets overlooked. We also offer tutorial videos to guide you through designing your irrigation system. The result? No more guessing, no more calculating. Design your entire layout with confidence and fewer surprises.